Hey, what's up? In the last lecture, we learned what the vowel sounds are and the symbols to represent them. Today's lecture, we're going to start with consonant sounds and their respective symbols to represent them. I'm going to start with an easy one, the consonant sound, and there's not much to say. It's just that's the sound. You're going to understand this in depth, the consonant sound, when you see what happens when we blend together the consonant sound with vowel sounds. Remember, vowels are a, e, o, u. They're not a, e, I, o, u anymore. A, e, o, u. So, what happens when you blend together a, a, ma? That's the sound. Ma. E. Me. I. Mi. O. Mo. U. Mu. A, E, I, O, U. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. That's it. What happens if we flip the order, like a, e, em, I, im, o, u, So a, e, I, o, u, em, im, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. And that's the sound that the consonant sound creates when you blend it with vowels. If you got this, you're ready to go to the next lecture.